This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing conditions. Cool the bed to about 40-50 degrees for PLA or the recommended temperature for your filament because contraction helps release adhesion. Next, start at one corner and slide a thin metal spatula or painter's scraper under the edge at a low angle. Make small, controlled pries to avoid gouging. Once you have a 1-2 mm separation, work around the perimeter in short moves, keeping hands clear of the blade so you maintain control and avoid sudden pops. Once edges are loosened, switch to controlled leverage. You hold the part with one hand to support it and use a flexible spatula or putty knife to lift the opposite side gradually. For thin bases, a glass scraper can slide under the model. For large, heavy prints, incrementally increase torque and alternate sides to avoid stress concentrations that could crack the print or damage the bed. Make sure to inspect adhesion points. Brims and rafts often need extra prying before the central area will release cleanly. You finish by freeing the final contact points and cleaning up. Trim raft or support remnants with flush cutters, and sand or file any rough spots. If a corner still resists, a 5-10 degrees bed reheat often relaxes adhesion. Alternatively, a few drops of isopropyl alcohol around the edge can break the bond on PEI or glass surfaces. If it still won't budge, troubleshoot by inspecting the bed surface, adhesion method, and part warping, then adjust first layer settings or use a release agent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.